We are in the middle of raspberry season, and what could be better than to bake one of my fika favorites? Right in the middle between a biscuit and a pastry you find Hallongrottor, directly translated to raspberry cave. Since our garden is overflowing with raspberries, I am making the jam as well, but store-bought is just fine. This time of summer is my favorite, just beginning of harvest season. There is no stress yet, just the coziness of the kitchen and the relaxation berry picking gives me. The way I make jam is by an easy 3-part recipe. 2 parts berries and 1 part jam sugar. Jam sugar already have pectin in it. If you use regular sugar you will add in pectin, and it will be written on the packaging how much you should add in. This time the berries was 800 grams, so I then add in 400 grams of jam sugar. It might seem like a lot of sugar, but keep in mind that sugar is also a preservative. If you use less, the shelf life will be shorter unless you add in extra preservatives, or freeze the jam to make it last. After I measure the sugar, I pour it over the berries in the pot and give it a small shake to mix before putting it on the stove on medium heat. Let it bubble for 10 minutes and skim off the foam. I fill up the glass jars that have been in the oven for 20 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius. Now for the baking. With Hallongrottor we are in shortbread territory. Start by mixing your dry ingredients, 450 ml or 4.5 deciliters of flour, 100 milliliters or 1 deciliters of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 2 teaspoons vanilla sugar. Then add in 200 grams of room temperature butter and let it all mix. You can either make these smaller or larger depending on what you prefer. Usually you make them smaller if it is more of a buffet style fika. Roll into balls and put them on a sheet pan. Press them gently, and with the help of whatever you have in hand, make a hole in the center. I use the handle on my rolling pin. If it breaks, just pinch it back together. Then fill the hole with raspberry jam and put it in the oven on 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes.